Looks like a what?
Insane asylum. It's like House on the Hill or something.
Yeah.
It reminds me of like a house that would have been in like an 80s movie. Very 80s. Very Golden Girls. Very like doctor's house. Or like
Sleeping with the Enemy.
Who killed his wife.
Yes.
A rich guy who killed his wife up there.
Exactly. Yeah.
He had like big hair and they wear like really